How many master data in F5?
There are like cost center, profit center, house bands, GL,
Asset.
yeah, asset, yeah.
In talk about now GL masters. Suppose your company right now Apple 10,000 GL accounts. GL accounts normally occupied what is that? Assets, liabilities, expenses, income. Total 10,000 or example maybe 20,000 GL accounts. How to transfer SAP? Bulk data transfer, non-SAP SAP. Which methods they are used in ABAP?
ALE, IDOC, EDI.
No. That is interface.
Okay.
Conversion data transfer, BDC,
LSMW, LTMC.
ECC, BDC, LSMW. In HANA system, BDC, LSMW, LTMC.
Yeah.
What is the LTMC stands for? Legacy, transport, migration, cockpit. BDC stands for
BDS.
batch, data, communication. LSMW stands for Jairam Garu, CR Garu, Veera Garu.
Legacy system management workbench.
Legacy system migration workbench, not management, migration workbench.
Okay.
Legacy system migration workbench. BDC, batch data communication. LTMC, legacy transport migration cockpit. EDI, electronic data interchange. IDOC, intermediate document. ALE, application link enabling. So finally, what is the SAP stands for?
System application, product in database.
System application,
Product in database.
data processing. Fine. What is the difference between transactional data and master data? Could you explain on that? Jairam?
Yeah, transactional data.
Master data ante empty data. GL codes, numbers, names, vendor names, customer names, customer master vendor, empty data. Transactional data ante end of the balances, transactional figures. Master data ni enni server lo upload chestaru? Master data uploaded how many servers? What's we, madam? 3 servers. Development,
Quality,
production. Transactional data, which server uploaded? How many servers? Only production server. Transaction data ఏ server లో upload చేస్తారు జయరామ్ గారు?
Production server.
Transactional data, another name called, what is the another name? Cut over activities. These are all basic things. Without these basic things, you are going to 5 years experience project place in a big trouble within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks lo trouble అవుతారు మీరు. చాలా మంది తెలుసుకోకుండా వెళ్తున్నారండి. Without basic fundamentals, project related fundamentals. You are a consultant, you are answerable everything, that to finance consultant. You are a decision maker in company. All any SAP projects in a FICO or MMR SD only project managers. Client will prefer first chance FICO, second SD, third MM. SAP projects, no. Any SAP projects. That much of demand is there in finance module basically. But hard work required. I told very clearly first day, every day, every class I will explain hard work required. I will guide you, I will train you, monitor, mentor, everything. But your side compulsory, minimum you spend 1 hour class. If you anytime miss the class, no issues, recording will get. At least daily 1 hour up to getting job. Touch with the SAP. That is important thing.
Okay.
You want to hand some salary, you want to settle in next 20 years in SAP career. SAP, no doubt at all, in the market next 20 years, no doubt at all. After that, your management side, after 20 years. SAP, there is no age limit, functional consultant job. Up to 50 years, you can do SAP job. Programmer, never life. Because programmer max to max, every 2 years, 1 year, change the technology. But in SAP functional consultant job, next 20 years. Suppose version change also, only 2%, 1% changes. Any version change 23, 24, 25, you learn now 23, after 2030 will come. So 98% same kind of configuration. Understand? 98% same kind of configuration. Functional consultant is long-term prospect. Nowadays, US market, one MS may, one course is for SAP functional consultant job. Functional consultant, one course MS may, US functional consultant, SDR, MMR, FI. Nowadays, one subject SAP. That much of demand functional consultant job. So be hard work. Hard work is most important. Monday onwards మనం సిస్టమ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. అందరూ సర్వర్స్ రెడీ చేసుకోండి. సో నౌ అండ్ ఈ రెండు రికార్డింగ్లు రెండే సార్లు 2 times listen this recording, this terminology another 2-3 days తర్వాత అలవాటు అవుతుంది. మీరే ట్రైన్ చేస్తారు నాకు. వేరే this is the thing, so like that. BDS అంటే ఇది, LSMW అంటే ఇది, SAP అంటే ఇది అన్ని మీరే చెప్తారు. Everything will explain. So, ఈ 2 records minimum 2 times, each recording minimum 2 times require. ఏమన్నా అర్థమైందా క్లాస్? అండర్స్టాండ్ ద క్లాస్ ఆర్ నాట్?
ఓకే సార్.
ఏం చేయాలో అర్థమైందా? మన రెస్పాన్స్ తెలిసిందా? ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాలి? హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తే మనం ఇండియన్ మార్కెట్ లోనే స్టార్టింగ్ సాలరీ ఇండియన్ మార్కెట్ లో 12 lakhs 13 lakhs స్టార్టింగ్ సాలరీ, 4 years experience. In Germany, US, all are dollars. Hourly based also, so many people earn the money. SAP, that much of demand. You are working mechanical job, you are working finance job in outside country. In thrice salary different. SAP salary and mechanical and finance job. Thrice different. Same tension, same working 8 hours job, same pressure, same tensions. Thrice different salary. You are working finance, MCOM, BCOM, MBA, here max to max will get 40,000, 30,000 Indian market. So in SAP consultant salary, 1 lakh starting 1 lakh, Indian market. That is less salary, I think about it. Less salary. So once you join the Veera training, definitely you will get job next 4 months. Your target is, your goal is like that. I am happy on that. You're getting job in next 3-4 months. I am first happy and the happiest person. Like your family members comparatively, first I am the happiest person. The students every week, one person will get the job. Last week, before week, last 3 weeks, 3 consultants getting jobs. 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs. 35 years age people, 25 years age people, 4 years, 5 years experienced. 12 lakhs starting, 12, 13, 14, 15 lakhs, aramse you will get the job. But subject, very strong subject, SAP consultant means strong subject required. Analytical skills, very good knowledge required. Because you are answerable to the company. So you know everything, each and everything, because users very smart people. SAP world is very smart. That is based on that we are more smart in the SAP world. Then only can survive the jobs. అర్థమైంది సార్? ఏమండి అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
వీకెండ్స్ లో చేయవలసిందల్లా నేను 2 documents పెడతాను. దాంట్లో 2 documents, ASAP methodology and activate methodology. ఆ 2 documents, ఈ 2 recordings, listen. Okay, Monday onwards we are going to start first topic in SAP S4 HANA FICO or SAP FICO general ledger accounting GL process. ఒక 3 days తర్వాత టోటల్ FICO డాక్యుమెంట్స్ S4 HANA అన్ని కలిపి ఒక లింక్ ఇస్తాను. డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆఫ్టర్ 2-3 days. First Monday onwards we are going to start general ledger accounting.